so soft. You gotta spread it in the middle like that. Ooh,
Oh,
yum.
wow.
Geez, it's not slime, it's food. Okay, so go ahead and try it out.
Okay.
It's very soft. Okay, go ahead and try it out.
I have to take like.
What do you think? It's good? You like it?
Yes.
Alright, so it's basically very fluffy because it's made out of egg whites. And I used the blue food coloring for it. And it's basically like a cloud because it's very soft and it's kind of like a meringue consistency. Go ahead and try it out, Mom.
It's actually pretty good.
It's like a sponge. Oh my god. What?
It's so soft.
What do you think?
I like it.
I give it a thumbs up.
And it's
Yeah.
very, very soft.
Now that I took a few bites of it, now I actually like it.
Tastes good.
So I hope you guys make the recipe and try it out yourself.
Oh wow.
Enjoy!